Okay, this is a video just going over the basics of statistics, and let's just get started. The first thing is the mean. The symbol for the mean is an X with a bar over it. That means the mean. And what is the mean? It's the sum of all the values in your data divided by how many things there are. And this symbol here means sum. It means add up everything in the data, add up all the data, and then divide by how many things there are. You've all done this for years, so it shouldn't be too hard. If you had this data, 1, then 3s and 4 and 5 and a couple of 9s at the end, this is what you would do. You'd go 1 plus 3 plus 3. Well, there's 4 3s, so it's 3 times 4, plus 4 plus 5, and you'd get a number. It's 49. And there are 10 numbers altogether, so you divide by 10. 49 divided by 10 means the mean of this data would be 4, 9. The next thing that you have to learn how to do is called the median. The median means the number in the middle. Well, if you've got 5 numbers, there's one number in the middle. There is a formula that you can use to figure out where it is. If there's 5 numbers, you go 5 plus 1, which is 6, and then multiply it by a half or divide by 2. That means the third position. So 5 is the median in the middle. And when we do quartiles, first quartile, it's the middle of the bottom half, the middle of the top half. You do exactly the same thing. But what if you have an even number? Well, there's 6 numbers here. Well, 6 plus 1 divided by 2 is 3.5. So it's in between the third and the fourth. That's where the median is. But there's no number there. We've got to figure it out. And you just do the average. 10 plus 12 divided by 2. That's 11. 11 is right in the middle of this data, and we call it the median. The next term is the mode, and that's what happens most often. You can have 1 mode, you can have 3 modes, you could have 5 modes, I guess. You could have any number of modes, but it's what one repeats itself the most. Well, in this data, there are 4 2s here, there are 4 8s here, so there are 2 modes, 2 and 8. Sometimes there's 1 mode, but that's what the mode is. The mode is most often. Okay. And the last term we're going to look at is the range. The range is the maximum number, the biggest number, minus the smallest number. That's called the range. So 12 minus 1 would make a range of 11 in this data here. Well, there we have it. The range, the mode, the median, and the mean. And those are your basic statistics, things you need to know, or concepts you need to know before you start for sure. Okay, well, that's that.